Within the defense sector, if a piece of military equipment fails, someone has to fix it fast, and often the first thing they need is the right cable out of hundreds. If it's not easy to identify, the repair becomes a slow, risky guessing game. So a defense label can never be just a sticker. It has to stay readable for the life of the equipment, sometimes over decades. Achieving that in the harshest of environments is very demanding, but it is what we have done for over 45 years. Silver Fox are the only fully British-owned and fully British-made industrial labeling company. We operate a secure global supply chain. Everything is designed and built in-house with no need to rely on overseas imports. Look at almost any military platform and you will find a label. On cables and wiring looms, control panels and switchgear, equipment tags and engraved nameplates. In the air, on land, at sea, and on uncrewed systems. Every one of those labels has a job. The first is to keep a part findable for life. Each important part carries an identifier, for example, a serialized 2D code. Scan it, and up comes that exact part in the MOD's records, with its full service history. Years later, anyone can quickly identify and trust it. The second job is survival. A defense label lives through fuel, oil, vibration, heat, cold, UV, and salt spray, and ordinary ones give up. Ours go to independent labs, tested to the US military standard MIL Standard 202, Method 215, and built for the UK's Defence Environmental Standard, DEFSTAN 0035. So our tie-on labels need no glue that can fail, heat shrink sleeves grip the wire as they shrink, and engraved plates are built to outlast the kit. The third job is being there at the right time. A build can easily stall on a single missing label, and on a live program you cannot lose weeks ordering one in. So with our Fox in a Box system, you print exactly what you need, when you need it. Over 200 label types, on demand, in the workshop or the field. It looks different everywhere. A single aircraft can carry several kilometers of wiring in tight looms, so labels ride on the bundles and grip individual wires. A vehicle is a harsh environment on wheels. Cables running past a red-hot engine bay through diesel and fluid, where labels grip on mechanically and shrug it off. None of this counts if you just take our word for it, so we don't ask you to. The labels are independently tested. We hold ISO 9001, we're members of Make UK Defence, and we're now on JOSCAR, the register run by Helios that defence buyers use to confirm a supplier is already qualified. One last thing, we will never tell you who else we work with. In this world, discretion is part of the job. So if you are specifying labelling for a defence programme or qualifying a British supplier, come and talk to our team. Silver Fox, sovereign labelling for the defence supply chain.